problem. Use Simpson's three-eighth rule to evaluate integral 1 to 4, integral limit 1 to 4 e to the power of 1 by x into dx. So here they not given n here. So solution, now you have to find out first here n value. So here to apply Simpson's rule, n must be a multiple of 3, right? So multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, so on. So you can take any one value. So I will take here 3 here. So I'll take n equals 3. So we shall take n equals 3 itself. Therefore, the length of each part or each strip equals here b minus a divided by h. So b divided by a, b minus a divided by n. So the residual h values, it will give h value. So h equals, what is a here? A is this one 1 and b is 4. So 4 minus 1 divided by n value I have taken here 3. So what do you get? 3 by 3. So we will get h value is 1. So now you have to construct the table. So x here, y equals, what is the function? E to the power of 1 by x. Now you have to find out here x naught equals a, right? So x naught equals a means what is a value? It is 1. So x naught value is 1. So what you get here, I'll fix the decimal points. So how to fix the decimal points in calculus means go for mode option. So you'll get complex component complex, again plus mode option, again plus mode options, until where you'll get the fix fix. So fix option is 1. So I'll press 1 here. How many decimal points you have to fix means you have to 4. Keep it to 4 decimal points. So automatically you'll get what answers will be given in 4 decimal points only. So here what do you get? If you put x is equal to 1 here, so e to the power of 1. So shift in form, e to the power of 1. So it is how much? 2.7183. So we'll get so many numbers. So I'll fix it to 4 decimal points. So automatically it will fix us in calculus. First you have to fix the calculus to 4 decimal points. Remember that one. Now here what do you get? X naught. and this is x0 and here x1. So x1 equals x0 plus h. So x0 value is, it is 1. So 1 plus h value is 1. So we will get 2. So what we get here? 2. So you have to put x is equal to 2 here. So what we get? Shift in here, in anti-log you have to press. So it is 1 divided by 2. So directly you can write 0.5 also, no problem. So what do you get here? Solution 1.6487. And here what do you get? x2. x2 equals x0 plus 2h. So what do you get? x0 value is 1 and h value is 1. So we will get 1 plus 2, we will get 3. So now what do you get? Shift E. So what do you get? 1 divided by, here if you put x is equal to 3. So 1 divided by 3. So what do you get the answer? It is 1.3956. And here what do you get? x3 equals x0 plus 3 times of h. So x0 value is 1 plus 3 into h value is 1. So 3 plus 1 will get 4. So what do you get for e to the power of 1 by 4? 1 divided by 4, what do you get the values? It is 1.2840. Now here it is start from 1 and end up with 4 interval. So here you start with 1 and end up with 4 here. So that means here interval should be, you will get same thing. So stop it here only. So this is your y0 value, y1, y2, y3. So what do you get the formula now? Here integral a to b y into dx equals 3h by 8 into what you get? y0 plus yn plus 3 times of y1 plus y2 plus so on plus 2 times of y3 plus y6 plus so on. This is the formula. So what is n equals 3 is there. So substitute on, what do you get now? So here n equals 3. So what is a value? 1 and b value is 4. And what is y here? Y is e to the power of 1 by x into dx equals 3 by 8. H value is 1. Right? y0 plus yn. Yn means it is 3. y3 will get plus 3 times of y1 plus y2. Now here it is y3. So already taken y3. So don't write this part. So close here. Stop it here only. Now substitute the values. So if you substitute the values, what do you get? Here 3 by 8 into y0 is 2.7183 plus y3 value is 1.2840 plus 3 times of y1 value is 1.6487 plus here y2 value is 1.3956. Now here if you add, So what do you get the solution now? Here 2.7183 plus 1.2840 plus 3 times of here what do you get 1.6487 plus 1.3956 into 3 here I multiply 3 here divided by 8. So you'll get the solution is 4.9257. So this is the required solution. Use Simpson's 1/3 rule to find integral here 0 to 0.6 e to the what is the function e to the power of minus x square into dx by taking 6 sub intervals. 6 sub intervals. Now here what is the given here? What is a value here? What is a value? A equals 0 and b equals 0.6 and what is n? N equals 6 sub intervals or equal intervals, equal strips. So when you get like these words, you have to take n as it is. Only ordinates, if you get ordinates, the number will be changes. So what do you get here? N equals 6. Now therefore the length of each strip each strip h equals b minus a divided by n. So what is b here? B is 0.6 and here 0 and divided by 6. So what do you get here? H value is 0.1. H value is 0.1. Now you have to construct the table. So x here, y equals e to the power of minus x square. Y value here, y function. So here what do you get? It is what is x naught. So x naught equals a. So what is a value? A value is 0. So if you put here x value, it is e to the power of 0, it becomes 1. And here what do you get? X1. X1 equals x naught plus h. X naught value is 0 and h value is 0.1. So you will get 0.1. So 0.1. So what do you get here? Here also you have to fix first 4 decimal places. So what do you get here? You will get 10. Go for mode option. Here press mode option. So you'll get fix here. So fix here it is 1. So fix it to how many decimal places means 4 decimal places. So I want 4, so I'll taking 4. If you want 5, fix it to plus 5 here, you get 5 decimal places. So I'll want 4 here. Now fix it to 4 decimal places. So press AC now. Here what you get? Shift and you will get E here. So minus of 0.1 whole square. Here this is what you get. This is e to the power of minus 0.1 whole square right here like that. So what you get, the value is 0.99. Afterwards it is 0, so I am writing 0.99 only. Now what do you get? X2. So x2 equals x0 plus 2 times of h. So x0 value is 0 and h value is 0.1. So we'll get 0.2. So what do you get here? Shift e here minus 0.2 whole square. So what do you get here? It is 0.9608. Now what do you get? X3. X3 equals x0 plus 3 times of h. So we'll get 0.3. X0 value is 0, h value is 0.1. So if you multiply, you get 0.3. So what do you get for 0.3? Here only I will correct it here. So how much you get? It is 0.9139. So x4. So x4 means what you get? x0 plus 4 times of h. So x0 already it is 0. So h value is 0.1. So you'll get, if you multiply with 4, you'll get 0.4. So only correction is, and instead of 0.3 you have to write 0.4. So what do you get here? Answer is 0.8521. So what do you get? x5. x5 here, what do you get? x5. It is x5 equals x0 plus 5 times of h. So you'll get 0.5. x0 value is 0 and h value is 0.1. If you multiply with 5, you'll get 0.5. So instead of here 0.4, I'll write here 0.5. So how much you get? It is 0.7788. And here x6. So what do you get here? x6. Here x0 plus 6 times of it. So you get 0.6. So for 0.6, how much you get value? It is 0.6977. So here you start with 0 and you get 0.6. So interval, what is the interval also? So interval also it is start with 0 and end up with 0.6. So then your table is correct. Otherwise you will not get same thing, means your table is wrong. Now write down the formula. So integral a to b y into dx equals h by 3 into y0 plus y6 yn plus 4 times of y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus so on plus 2 times of y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus so on. This is the formula. Now here so here what you get? What is a here? A is 0, b is 0.6. What is y here? Y function is e to the power of minus x square into dx equals, what is h here? H is 0.1 divided by 3 into what you get? y0 plus what is n? N is 6. So we'll get y6 plus here this is y0 value, y1 value, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So 4 times of y1, y3, y5. So don't write here y7. So because only you have y6 values, y7 you not get the value, so stop it here only. Plus 2 times of y2 plus y4. Don't write y6, you already taken here. So if you substitute the values, all those things, and if you simplify it, you will get the answer is 0.5351. So this is the required solution. Problem: find the approximate value of integral 0 to pi by 2 root cos theta into d theta by using Weddell's rule. By using Weddell's rule into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. Here solution. So here what is A here? A is 0, B is pi by 2, and here what is n? N equals 6 equal parts here, so n equals 6. Now therefore the length of each part or strip h equals b minus a divided by n. So what you get? H is equal to what is b? B is pi by 2 minus 0 divided by n is 6. So what you get? Pi by 12. So pi by 12 means 180 degree divided by 12. So we will get 15 degree. Remember this one. So it is 15 degree. So now we'll construct the table. So x and y equals root cos theta. So what is x naught? X naught equals a. So what is a value? A value is 0. So what you get? Root cos theta value is 1 you will get. Cos 0 means what you get here? So I am taking instead of x is equal to theta here, because you have to substitute here theta values. So theta. So if you put what you get, x value is 0, so theta 0 will get. So if you put theta is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, and here what you get? x1 here, x naught plus h value is already 0, and here what is h value? It is 15 degree. So we will get 15 degree only. So here 15 degree. So what you get here? Root cos of 15. Here first you have to fix the decimal place. So how to fix the decimal place? Go for mode option, go for fix. So keep it to 4 decimal places. So root cos 15 degree. So how much you get here? 0.9828. Now here what you get? x2 equals x naught plus 2 times of h. So x naught is already 0, h value is 15 degree. 15 into 2 will get 30 degree. This is x2. So root of cos 30 degree. So how much you get? It is 0.9306. And what you get? x3 equals x naught plus 3 times of h. So we'll get x naught is 0, h value is 15, so we'll get 45 degree. So 45 degree. So what do you get here? Instead of 30, I will substitute 45 degree. So what do you get? 0.8409. And here what do you get? x4 equals x naught plus 4 times of h. So x naught value is 0, h value is 15 degree. So what do you get here? 15 into 4, you will get 60 degree. So instead of here, what do you get? Root cos of 60 degree. So how much you get? It is 0.7071. Next here, what do you get? x5 equals x naught plus 5 times of h. So what do you get here? It is 0, h is 15, 5 into 15 you will get 75 degree. So 75 degree. So how much you get? Root cos of 75 degree. So it is 0.5087. Next here, x equals x naught plus 6 times of h. So what do you get here? X naught is 0 plus h value is 15. 15 into 6 you will get 90 degree. So 90 degree. So cos 90 is, what do you get? Cos 90 is 0. Root 0 means it is 0 only. So this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Here look at here, start from 0 and here also start from 0. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. End up with it is 90 degree only. Then your table is correct. Otherwise it is wrong. Now Weddell's rule formula. So Weddell's rule for n equals 6. So already given Weddell's rule for n equals 6. So substitute that formula. So what do you get? Integral a to b y into dx equals 3h by 10. 3h by 10 into, what do you get? y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus 5 times of y5 plus y6. Don't write 2 times of y6. Only you have to write y6. Don't write 2 times of y6. This is wrong. Here if you done mistake in problem, the whole calculation will be wrong. Only up to here you will get the marks. You will not get calculation for no marks for calculations if you take it 2 times of y6. Remember that one. Now, so if you substitute the values here, what is a here is 0 to pi by 2 root cos theta into this becomes d theta. So here you have to write in theta in only because I taken x is equal to theta. So you have to write d theta. So 3 times of h is here. What is h? H is pi by 12. So don't take it 15 degree, because when you're calculating in 15 degree, if you take it 15 degree, the whatever this answers will be, you will get, you have to convert it into degree only. So it is very difficult to convert the numerical values to convert to degree. So that's why don't take 15 degree. So take it pi by 12. So we know the value of pi by 12. So what is pi by 12? It is 22 by 7. So take it that value. So what you get here, 22 divided by 7 into 12. So you have to take h value as this much, or you can take pi values directly as 3.141. That one also it is very better. So if you take it, so what you get, 3 by 10 into what you get here, 22 by 7 into y naught values, it is 1 plus 5 times of, here y1 is 0.9828, and here plus 6 times of, here 0.930, sorry I forgotten here, y2. So what you get here, y2 means here y2 is what you get, 0.9306 plus 6 times of y3 value is 0.8409 plus y4 means it is 0.7071 plus here y5 means 5 times of y5, it is 0.5087 plus y6 value is 0. So verify that one. So how much you will get, 1 plus 5 times of, here when you doing calculation, remove the fixed point here, fixed decimal places. How to cancel this one is shift more, so it will be all 3 plus equals here 2 times, so it will be cleared. So how much you get here, y naught value. So how much y naught value is 1 plus 5 times of 0.9828 plus what you get here, 0.9306 plus 6 times of 0.8409 plus what you get, 0.7071 plus 5 times of 0.5087. So if you multiply, so how much you get, that is here what you get, 3 into 22 divided by here 10 into 7, here it is pi value is 12, right? So here it will get extra another 1 by 12. Remember pi value is h value is pi by 12, so I taken pi value is 22 by 7 into 12, remember. So into 1 by 12. So how much you get, this one, 15.1406. So into what you get here, 22 into 3, it is here 999.2796 whole divided by here 10 into 12 into 7, so 840. So 399.2796 divided by 840, it is 1.1896. So this is the required solution. Sometimes some people will get 1.1893, that is also no problem. So some decimal points error will be you'll get sometimes, so no problem in that one. Problem: evaluate integral 4 to 5.2 log x base e, taking 6 equal strips by applying Weddle's rule. So here what is the given solution? Here what is a value? A equals 4 and b value is 5.2. so and what I get here, n equals 6 equals strips. 6 equals 6 strips means n equals 6. So now you have to find out the h value. Therefore the length of each strip is here h equals b minus a divided by n. So what do you get? H equals, what is b value? B value is 5.2 minus a value is 4 divided by n is 6. So you will get here 1.2 divided by 6, so we'll get 0.2. H equals 0.2 will get. Now construct the table. So x values, and here what is here into dx, sorry, here into dx. So what is y here? Y equals log x base e. So x naught. So x naught equals a, right? So a, what is a value? It is 4. So how to find out this? Calculator. In calculator means here you have to note that one point is when you have log x base e, you have to use in calculator, you have to use in ln. Here ln you have to use this one. So when you have log x base 10, you have to use normal log in calculator, this one. So which one you'll use now? You have to use, you have base e, so you have to use this one now. So in calculator you have to use in. So remember this one, this is very important in calculations. So what do you get here? ln 4. So what do you get the values for that one? You have fixed it to 4 here. So you'll get so many numbers. So what I do here, I will fix here to 4 decimal places. Shift mode, ln 4, right? Go to mode option. So you get fix here. So how many decimal places? 4 decimal places. So what do you get here? 1.3863. Next here, what do you get? x1 equals x naught plus h. So x naught value is 4 plus h value is 0.2. So we'll get 4.2. So x1 value is 4.2. So what you get here? Here only you can edit. So what you get here? 4.2. Lan of 4.2. So use lan 4.2. Don't use log here because it is basic. You have to use lan. So how to get 1.4351 x2. So x2 means x naught plus 2 times of h. So 4 plus 0.2 into 0.2 will get 0.4. So we'll get 4.4. So 4.4. So here only I will edit. So what you get? 4.4, it is 1.4816. Remember you have to use lan here. So what you get? x3. x3 equals x naught plus 3 times of h. So 4 plus here 3 times of 0.2. So you'll get 4.6 x3. So what do you get here? I will edit here. Instead of 4 I will substituting 4.6 here. So what do you get? 1.5261. So x4 here, what do you get? x4 equals x naught plus 4 times of h. So you'll get 4.8. So what do you get here? Instead of 4.6 I am substituting 4.8. so what do you get here? For 4.8 it is 1.5686. So what do you get? x5. So x5 equals x naught plus 5 times of h. So you'll get x naught is 4 and h is 0.2. You'll get 1 here. So you'll get 5.0. So 5.0. So how much you get? 1.6094. Now what do you get? x6. So x6 means x naught plus 6 times of h. So you get 5.2. So 5.2. So what do you get for 5.2? It is 1.6487. Look at here, it start from 4 and end up with 5.2. So both are equal. Here start with 4 and end up with 5.2. Both are equal now here. Now write down the formula. So what do you get here? Integral a to b y into dx equals 3h by 10 into what do you get? Y naught plus 5 times of y plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus 5 times of y5 plus y6. So what is a value? A value is 4 and b value is 5.2 and y is log, what do you get? Log x base e into dx equals 3 by 10 into what is h value? It is 0.2. And here y naught value is, what you get? Y naught value is here, this is y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. So y naught value is 1.3863 plus 5 times of y1 is 1.4351 plus y2 value is 1.4816 plus y 6 times of y3, 6 times of y3. So what do you get here? 1.5261 plus y4, it is 1.5686 plus 5 times of y5. So 5 times of 1.6094 plus y6 is 1.6487. So calculate. So what do you get here? 1.3863 plus 5 times of 1.4351 plus 1.4816 plus 6 times of 1.5261 plus 1.5686 plus 5 times of 1.6094 plus 1.6487. So this much is 30.464 into 3 into 0.2. So what do you get? It is something you get divided by 10. So how much you get? It is 1.8279. This is the required solution.